everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. As you know that daily 9 p.m. session we are doing the important questions for your LRB part. So if you people want to crack this exam in a single and a first attempt, so this session is very important, okay? Whenever you just complete your paid batch, so the next requirement is to just apply this concept in the practical knowledge. So the practical knowledge is to just solve the question paper. So that's why this sessions is very much important. And I think from the next week I'm going to start you to just tell you the difference between the various legal terms that will really help you to crack this exam. Okay, so that's why this batch is very much important. If you want to see in this session, as you can see that the JAIIB CAIIB, the test pack is there in which 50 mock paper is there. So if you want to take this 50 mock paper in which you can get the 20 mock paper of PPB, 20 of AFB and 10 of LRB. So use the code that is Y391S so you can get the maximum discount in this batch. And for the video courses, you are seeing that this is the bilingual and this is the English medium. So you can use the code Y391 for the video courses. Okay, video courses means you do not need to attend the live classes. The material will be material is recorded in the recorded session, so you can see it anytime, anywhere, because only October is left. November 12, 13, 20 your exam is there, so that's why focus on this one. Okay, now so if you are new in this session, do not forget to subscribe our channel, because once you subscribe the channel, then the notification will be automatically come in your mobile. Okay, and see class, this is the, as you can see, the question series batch, the question series batch in which in this batch you can get the 3000 MCQ in which you can get half marks, 1 marks and 2 marks question in this batch. Okay, and if you want to attend this 2 marks question separately, so you can attend this session, because this session that is totally dedicated to the 2 marks question, and the 2 mark question is basically come in the this one, in the the paragraph format. So that's why in this batch you can get the case studies question in this one. Okay, so if you want to crack this exam, so this 2 marks question is also very important. So just use the coupon code Y391 for this batch, and you can also take the 3000 MCQ in which you can get everything, the half marks, 1 marks and 2 marks. So the batch is available in the store. Now the one question on the screen is that when articles laying in the safe custody of the bank are handed over to the nominee after the death of the account holder. When the articles laying in the safe custody of the bank are handed over to the nominee after the death of the account holder, so tell me, the bank gets valid discharge. The bank gets valid discharge only if it is with the consent of legal heir. The bank gets valid discharge when no dispute is raised by the legal heir, and the bank gets valid discharge only if there is a court direction to that effect. So what is the exact answer? Articles when laying in a safe custody, so it means the bank will act as a bailee in that case. Okay, you know the concept of bailment now, in which one party transfer the possession to the another party for the specific purpose or as a security. When the loan is paid back, the security will be taken by the bailer from the bailee. Okay, so tell me the first answer. The bank are handed over to nominee after the death of account holder. So if I'm a bank, if I kept your the articles, if X person dead, to whom I have just kept the article safe custody, if that person death, I have just given the articles to the nominee. So tell me the exact answer. The answer is very simple. The answer is very simple. In that case, the bank get discharge. The first one, A, is the right answer. The bank get valid discharge. Got it? So first one, A, is the right answer. Okay, A is the right answer. Hope so. You people understand this question. Okay, now are you getting now what is bailment in this question? The bailment is nothing that the concept come from the Indian Contract Act. The two parties there, the first one is bailor and the second one is the bailee. Done? Bailor and bailee. Bailor transfer the goods to the bailee, okay, and the bailee, the bank will act as a bailee. That next. Section 20A of the Banking Regulation Act provides that the bank cannot grant loan on the security of their own share. The bank can write off the loan in the name of director of bank with the prior permission of the RBI. Bank cannot lend on security of the partially paid share, and the bank cannot lend on the security of the share of the private company. So which of the following is the right one? Second one. If you don't know the sections, so no need to worry. Okay, no need to worry if you don't know the sections. What is the exact answer of this one? Second one. For the second one, the exact answer is, it is simply a section based question. So if you don't know, remember the section, don't worry. The bank can write off the loan in the name of director of the bank with the prior permission of the RBI. This is the exact wordings of section 20A of the banking regulation. Okay, so for the second one, B is the right answer. Okay, that's cool. Next. If last Friday is a holiday under section 25 clause 1 of banking regulation can be submitted to the RBI too. It means the Friday is a holiday. Next day, previous day, next working day, and the preceding working day. Third one. If last Friday is the holiday, the return under section 20 clause 1 of the banking regulation can be submitted to the RBI. That is relating to what? So those candidates who want to purchase the case studies batch, so case study batch means the 2 marks question will become. So if you want to get enrolled in this batch, you have to use the code Y391 for the maximum discount up to 78%. So for the third one, what is the exact answer? For the third one, if the Friday is this one, so the exact answer is next working day, they have to submit the return. So for the third one, C is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. RBI can carry the inspection of bank by exercising the power under section what and of what act, whether section 21, 35, 21, 35, and the act is there, the banking regulation or Reserve Bank of India. So if you remember this section, you can easily get this answer. The sessions are very, very much important. The RBI can carry the inspection of a bank by exercising the power under section of dash and of which act? Fourth one. The exact answer is 35 of the Banking Regulation Act. This is 35 and this is the Banking Regulation Act. Fourth one, B is the right answer. Okay, B is the right answer. Done? Next. While taking a decision on complaint filed by a customer, what will the Ombudsman do? Follow the general guidelines issued by the SEBI RBI, takes into account the circumstance and frame its own rule, takes into account the RBI directives, and all of the above. So what is the exact answer of fifth one? while taking a decision on the complaint filed by the customer, the Ombudsman will follow the general guidelines issued by government. This one, what is the exact answer? C class, the banking ombudsman appointed by the RBI. I think this is known to all of you. So what will do while taking a decision on the complaint filed by customer? So for the fifth one, the right answer is take into account the RBI directive. So fifth one, C is the right answer. Okay, C is the right answer. Next, the banking companies are required to prepare a profit and loss account, balance sheet. Okay, and this topic is very important. Okay, this topic is under the Banking Regulation Act, the profit and loss account balance sheet. Okay, this is important topic. So they have to prepare close to the calendar year, close to the financial year, close to the national year, or last reporting Friday of March every year. So which of the following is the right one for the sixth one? For this thing, you have to know the calendar year. Calendar year is simply from 1st January to 31st December is calendar year. Financial year from 1st April to the next year of the March. That is called the 31st March. That is called financial year. So for the sixth one, the right answer is close of the financial year is the right answer. Sixth one, B is the right answer. Okay. Now, the balance sheet profit loss account of the banking company is required to be audited by chartered secretary, any person qualified under any law to be the auditor of the company, auditor of banking company, and certified financial analyst. What is the exact answer of seventh one? What is the exact answer of seventh one? For the seventh one, the exact answer is simply any person qualified under any law to be the auditor of the company. You know, these questions are basically from the module A. We know that module A is not so much important, but it is, it is a option. You can say it is an offer. If you grab this offer now, you can easily raise your marks. So that's why do not skip any module. We know that module C and module D is important, but still you have to focus all module. Focus main on C and D, then after all this one. Okay, so this is the right answer. Next one. A banking company is required to submit dash copies of the balance sheet and profit loss account to dash in addition to RBI. Whether it is 3 ROC, 2 ROC, 2 SEBI, and 3 Central Govt. That is important. Eighth one. The banking company is required to submit the dash copy of balance sheet and profit loss account to dash in addition to RBI. What is the exact answer? The exact answer here is A is the right answer. 3 copies, and this is the ROC is the right answer. A is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. When RBI conducts inspection of a bank, a copy of inspection report should be given to bank, is given to bank on the request of bank, is given to bank on the direction of Central Govt, not required to be given to the bank, being confidential matter. Ninth one. Inspection that is conducted by the RBI. So what will be the next one? For the ninth one, the exact answer is it should be given to the bank. No need to request the bank or direction from the central government. It is a right of the bank that what the RBI have conducted the inspection. Okay, that's it. So ninth one, A is the right answer. Next one. The central government can prohibit a banking company to accept the deposit from the public under section 35(4) of the banking regulation if the business of the company is conducted by violation of RBI directives at a loss to the determinant of interest of depositor not in compliance of the act. So what is the exact answer of 10th one? What is the exact answer of 10th one? The central government can prohibit a banking company to accept the deposit from the public under section 35(4) of the Banking Regulation Act if the business of the company is conducted. 10th one. For the 10th one, the exact answer is to the determinant of interest of the depositor. 10th one, C is the right answer. Okay, C is the right answer. Next, which of the following statement does not match? Okay, the bank have to prepare balance sheet profit loss on last Friday of March every year. 2 copies of such profit and loss account is required to be submitted to RBI. RBI can order the special audit of a bank without consent of central government and none of the above. I think this thing we have already done in the previous one, 11th one. The balance sheet profit and loss, that is very important. So what is the exact answer of 11th one? What is the exact answer of 11th one? So here for the 11th one, the exact answer is this should be the 3 copies. So that's why 11th one, B is the right answer. Okay, next. Where a banking company fails to comply with central government may order to acquire such banking company. Direction of RBI under section 21 and 35A of Banking Regulation Act, direction of central government, SEBI and Companies Act. 12th one. Where a banking company fails to comply with central government may order to acquire such banking company. What is the exact answer? Such banking company? So here for the 12th one, A is the right answer. Okay, fails to comply this direction of RBI and this one. Okay, so 12th one, A is the right answer here. Okay class, so that's all for today's class. So now and never you can see the lowest price ever in every paid batch, video course, mock paper, ebooks. We have just dropped the price in a very less and get the special validity of 2 months. So if you people want to purchase any batch, you can purchase, or if you want to purchase a video course, you can purchase a video course, because in the video course you do not have to attend the live classes. And this batch is class the case studies batch. Okay, the red one batch you are seeing, that is a case study batch. Okay, case study batch in which 2 marks question generally come. 2 marks question generally come in this batch. Okay, and you know that the 2 marks question is very much important from the examination point of view. So guys, if you want to purchase the case study batch, which is going to be start from that date, so the process is very simple. What you have to do, you have to simply go to the Adda 24/7 site, click on all courses, undergraduate exams, sorry, it's a government, JAIIB CAIIB, and click on this English medium. If you click on this English medium, you can see the case study batch here. If you want to purchase the whole question series, just like half marks, 1 marks, 2 marks, you have to purchase this one. Otherwise, this is the English medium of the case study batch. If you click on this one, you can see first of all the study plan. If the LRB I will show you, 14 to 17 is the right one. Okay, then PPB, it's a 1 November to 5 November, done. And for AFB, the timing is 31st October to 5th November. Okay, so these are the classes. So if you want to purchase this one, simply click on view offer. Okay, then put the coupon code Y391 and click on apply. You can see the discount is 77%. Only 2000 you have to pay for this one. And otherwise, if you want to purchase the 3000 MCQ batch, that is really very good for you. You can also see the recorded classes here. Okay, so click on this view offer. Done, and then put the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply. You can see the discount is 77. 3219 is the actual price of this batch. Okay, so if you want to purchase, you can avail this discount. Time is very less, so that's why focus on the studies, so that it will give you the benefit for all of you. Okay, and do not worry, be positive, have a confidence on yourself, and whatever teacher have paid you in the paid batch, just focus on the revision section and the mock paper. These two are the key to crack the exam, because many students do not revise the concept. If you do not revise the concept now, then you cannot apply in the questions. So that's why the revision is must required if you want to crack this exam. So guys, in this session you have to crack the JAIIB, so that in the next session you can easily take the CAIIB batch with a new syllabus. Okay, in the new syllabus the negative mark is there, so that's why focus on this session. Just put a positive thing in your mind that you have to crack this exam anyhow. Okay, that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and meet you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Okay, and we will do the difference questions, a difference between the legal terms. Okay, quickly. Thank you so much.